What's up, my beautiful people? You don't know it's Silent Boy Africa here again. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take you guys on a short little trip. You understand? So me and my lady, we went to Frenchman's Cove, a very popular beach in Portland. Very famous too, like lots of celebrity, lots of international recording artists have done music videos there. You understand? So I'm just gonna share the experience with you guys. You understand? Let you see through our camera. I'm on team. Let's go now.
It's an island, boy. Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to the beach. We have a great and the beach that way. So let's go. Know the vibes. There's some fish in there. Hey baby. Oh, this water is beautiful. Look there. Crystal clear. It's like a river run out into the sea. This place is just quiet and nice. Tranquility, you know? The ocean, oh, it looks very rough. But damn, guys, seeing the beach now. I always see the beach like when I'm on a boat, like outside, sail passing. But now actually being here, you can see what it's like. Get the feel of it. The place is beautiful, guys. Nice. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at that. There, man. Yeah. I hope you say work. Yeah, say work. Oh, that's cool, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Wow, guys. This is amazing. The sun is white and pretty. Wow. Yes, Rasta. You survive. This is Frenchman's Cove, guys. Right here in Portland. Gonna wet your feet? It's uppity, guys. So we got the swings here. You can just sit and just hang your foot in the water. Nice. So it's a river that runs out into the ocean, which is really nice. So it's probably a bit like warm and cold, two different temperatures. Whoa, this is nice. Babe, you can take a pic here.
Take another one. Hang on.
Try that one. Ooh. That's it. I have to go down here. Woo! Just thinking of that.
Ooh.
That's sexy, huh?
Huh?
Yeah. So guys, we're not going to swim, but we're just here checking it out. lovely. I would definitely come back here.
Yeah, for real. This
It's
is
nice.
beautiful.
Oh, look at that. They have swings all over up there. Gotta have to swim now. Skull.
Alright, just take one of me up here then. Just like
Alright.
that. Can you take a pic of you?
Yeah,
Where want to take a pic of you?
I have no idea. Guys, you should come here. Look at Portland. Portland is beautiful. See that? Portland is beautiful, guys. Nah, like, guys should come and check it out for yourself.
For real.
Yeah.
Okay, baby. Take up showers then.
Oh, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Yeah. Yeah, me summer your time.
Okay, babe.
Washing out the sun, guys. Real sun. Ready to rock and roll?
Ready, babe.
Yeah. This is amazing.